Mindful eating is about more than just food. It's about how we experience every bite. It's the practice of slowing down, being fully present, and truly enjoying what we eat. Instead of rushing through meals or eating while distracted, mindful eating invites us to savor the taste, smell, and texture of our food and to listen to our body's signals. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Healthy World, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our wellness tips. Mindful eating strengthens the connection between mind and body. Our emotions often influence how and why we eat. By becoming more aware of these triggers, we can make better, more intentional choices. It's not about restriction, it's about awareness and respect for your body. Some of the biggest benefits include better digestion, as chewing slowly helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively, healthier weight management through recognizing hunger and fullness cues, a deeper appreciation for the food itself, and reduced emotional eating. To bring mindful eating into your daily life, start by slowing down. Put away distractions, chew thoroughly, and focus on the sensations of each bite. Tune in to your hunger and fullness levels before, during, and after eating. Engage your senses. Look at the colors, notice the texture, smell the aromas, and really taste your food. Practicing gratitude before meals can shift your mindset too. Take a moment to acknowledge the journey your food took to get to your plate. Mindful eating can also help with portion control. It reminds us to eat according to our needs, not out of habit or pressure to clear the plate. This gentle awareness supports balance without guilt or strict rules. And when stress hits, mindful eating offers a calming pause. Eating slowly and consciously can reduce stress levels, help prevent emotional overeating, and encourage better choices. This practice is powerful not just individually, but also for families. Cooking and eating mindfully together can strengthen bonds and teach children a healthy, positive relationship with food from an early age. Mindful eating is not a diet. It's a way to reconnect with your body and your food. Next time you sit down for a meal, slow down, savor the flavors, and listen to your body. If this inspired you to approach meals differently, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Healthy World, and share your mindful eating tips in the comments.